Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We went to Eastern Canada for a few days. There's just so much fresh seafood there. Lobster, mussel, scallop, you name it. So it inspired me to make this seafood coconut curry. Let's get started. For vegetables, we're going to use sweet bell pepper. These are not the spicy kind. Oops. Corn and 1 green onion. I'm going to chop this up. I'm going to cut off the corn kernels. Dice these red bell peppers. Then I'm going to chop the green onions as well. I'm also going to use a little bit basil for garnishing later, so I'm going to chop these as well. And our veggie part is all done. For seafood, we have black cod, a little piece, scallop, some, and I'm going to use these cooked wild shrimp. These are tiny little shrimp, and my kids actually love these. And these shrimp, surprisingly, have a lot of flavor when you cook it, even though these are pre-cooked already. So I'm just going to defrost some of these shrimp. If your shrimp is frozen like mine, run it under cold water for a few minutes, and it'll be all defrosted. For the cod, I'm going to keep the skin on, and then just going to dice it into 4 pieces. And then season with a little bit of salt. I'm going to turn the heat to high. I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of oil. First, I'm going to fry the green onions. Then my red bell pepper. One tablespoon of oil. To see the pepper start to turn color, we're going to add in our corn. Then I'm going to push them to the side. Now we're going to pan fry the cod pieces and the scallop. So this cod has skin on. So the skin side, I'm going to put the skin side down on the pan. And the scallop. Doesn't take much to cook the scallop. Give it a flip. Nice and golden on one side. And with fish as well. Flip the scallop and the fish one more time. It is almost ready, guys. And last but not least, we will put in our shrimp on the top. About 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's going to give it a very nice flavor. 1 teaspoon of curry powder. And I'm going to put in half cup of coconut milk. And we'll give it a quick stir. Take them out now. The skin should come out really easily. Like this. It's already came out. Give it a quick stir. Sprinkle the salt. Let it cook for 2 minutes and it's all done. Pair it with white rice. Really delicious. If you like this video, like or subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted. See you next time. Bye.